Welcome back to NFT Empire, your go-to channel for all things NFT related. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can make money with NFTs without any initial investment. NFTs have revolutionized the way we think about ownership and digital assets, offering exciting opportunities for creators and investors alike. If you're curious about diving into the world of NFTs and starting to earn money without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Understand the basics of NFTs. Before we begin, let's quickly cover the fundamentals of NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of a digital item, such as artwork, music, videos, or virtual real estate. They utilize blockchain technology, often built on platforms like Ethereum. Understanding the concept of NFTs is crucial to navigate this space effectively. Create and showcase your own NFTs. As part of NFT Empire, you have the power to create and sell your own NFTs. No upfront investment is required to get started. Unleash your creativity and produce digital content that appeals to potential buyers. This could include original artwork, photographs, music, animations, or even virtual items for video games. Choose an NFT marketplace that suits your needs, such as OpenSea or Rarible, and mint your creations as NFTs for sale. Participate in NFT airdrops and giveaways. NFT Empire encourages you to take advantage of airdrops and giveaways offered by various NFT projects and artists. These events are designed to promote their work and attract a larger audience. Participating is often as simple as joining a Telegram group, following social media accounts, or completing basic tasks. By actively engaging in these events, you can accumulate valuable NFTs without spending any money and potentially sell them later for a profit. Engage in NFT trading and flipping. As a member of NFT Empire, you have access to trading and flipping NFTs for profit. The NFT marketplaces are constantly evolving, providing opportunities to purchase undervalued NFTs and sell them at a higher price. Stay up to date with the latest trends, monitor the marketplaces for promising projects, and analyze the historical performance of NFTs to make informed buying and selling decisions. Earn through NFT affiliate programs. Many NFT marketplaces and platforms provide affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission by referring buyers and sellers to their platform. Sign up for these programs and share your unique referral links with your audience or on relevant platforms. If someone joins or makes a purchase through your referral link, you'll receive a commission or bonus. This method can generate passive income without requiring any initial investment. In conclusion, making money with NFTs without any investment is absolutely achievable. As a member of NFT Empire, you have the tools and knowledge to create and sell your own NFTs, participate in airdrops and giveaways, engage in NFT trading and flipping, and join NFT affiliate programs. Remember to stay informed about market trends, conduct thorough research, and embrace your creativity. Best of luck on your NFT journey, and we hope you found this guide valuable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to NFT Empire for more content like this. We'll see you in the next video.